Alright guys, here's one for us. I've always liked this new Rogue that came out in 2021. I think they're pretty sharp. I prefer this year of it because it has the old 2.5 4-cylinder and not the 3-cylinder turbo. This one is a little unusual. First of all, we've got a terrible repainted door. Terrible repainted door. SV package. But this 2021 has 168,000 miles. So this thing has been driven. And I bet it's been driven hard and put up extra wet. Let's see what she sounds like. Never even been in one of these, but I think they're such. Uh-oh. Well, shoot.
Right? I mean, no Falcons fan.
So, that's what we got going on.
True serum. Everybody knows you're not going to win a lot of football games when your quarterback throws for 115 yards. We
do have gas, but she is a non-runner. Nope. Oh well. We tried. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see if we can find another one day. But this one's not going to run. This will be a short video. Yep, this one was just run and drove into the ground. Well, no, you know, the oil change shows it's not due for another 2,000 miles, so who knows? Maybe they did take decent care of it, but boy, that paint job on that rear door was bad. Bad. Well, it's a shame. Oh well. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.